that, folks. She's just 17 years old, but her strength and skill have already put her on the global stage. Marla-Kay Lampart made history at the Carifta Games in Trinidad and Tobago, delivering a record-breaking shot put throw that secured her spot as a national under-20 shot put record holder and the second best under-20 shot putter in the entire world. No, sir? Eh? When you hear that, how you feel? Good morning, welcome.
Good morning.
When you hear say he's the second best in the whole world, how that feel?
It feels really great.
Eh? It's hard to feel really great. I feel really great just to interview you. I was watching, actually. And you were what, 1599?
1598.
1598. And then you threw 1744. First, let me say 1742, and then they put it to 44. Mm-hmm. Eh? It was what, your fourth throw?
Yes, sir.
What was the difference in that throw as opposed to the three before that?
I just went out there, tell myself that you have to get it on this one. So I just put my all into it and just execute everything. But
you've never gone close to that before. That is what, coach? That is what, 1 meter and 20 centimeters? I don't know. That's about 69 centimeters or something like that. That was incredible.
Yes, it was.
Did you know that it was a big one before it hit the ground?
No. I thought it was like 16 something.
See, because sometimes I watch the throwers, coach, and as I'm throwing, just everybody says, I say, yeah, man, like that one there is the one. So you didn't know it was that good?
No, I thought it was like 16 meters and above.
So when you heard the 17, because it was 1742 first, when you hear that?
I was like, they might mark it correct.
They say, them read it wrong.
Yes.
And then second place said, because you did that, you push her to 1714, I think she did?
She said she answering to every throw that I make.
Well, she couldn't answer to the 1744. She got to hold that. Why shot put in the first place?
Honestly, I don't know.
You just see it one day and decide to me how to do something?
I was actually a long jumper at first. And then I transitioned over into shot put 2022. And then from there, that's where everything started.
So his coach asked if you got your shot put?
Yes, and another coach, Mr. Marla-Kay.
So coach a big thing?
Yes.
I don't think coach didn't know you'd have playing 1744. All them are going like him a wicked boy. I don't think so. Eh? So you're done with the long jump?
Yes.
Straight shot put?
Yes, and discus.
And discus?
Yes.
It might not be considered, and I know the coach going to vex when I said this, but it might not be considered as one of the glamorous events in track and field. No. People want to sprint and all kind of thing. And
they don't see us.
Them see you now.
No.
Trust me, them see you now. And anybody don't see you, just drop that shot, put that upon them too, and then we'll see you for sure. Yeah, I was teasing, by the way. Don't hurt nobody with the shot put. Boy, this is, again, when I saw it, I didn't know it was so good, but, they usually put the tape for first place and stuff. So when I saw it, I said, nah, man, she gone in front. But when I saw the 1742, I go, so, from 1599 all the way at that, you fling anything since you come home?
No, currently injured from 1744.
What?
My hand right here.
Yeah, because I saw that. And it was that throw that caused it?
Yes, that's why I didn't finish.
You put everything there, don't you? But you never need to throw the, what was you 6 again? So you didn't do the last two?
No. Went to medics.
How is it right now?
It's okay. My coach looked on it and said I should just rest.
Wow. So when would be your next event?
Trials.
And trials is, I know they have under 20s and stuff, but the trials are here to try and make the big team.
Both.
Coach? Coach say both. How you feel about the big team? I know you're going to make the under 20 easy, but how you feel about the big team?
Confident enough because made them kind of in the same category now. So
Aye. I love that. I love that. Coach, what distance the big ladies are throwing? 1750. Right. And you're at 1744. No, man, you're close, man. I agree with you. You're in the same category, man. But how long you think this will keep you out for?
About 4 weeks.
4 more weeks?
Recovery.
And trials is when? July?
Yes.
And where are we now? Almost May?
Mm-hmm.
So May, June? Yeah, man. You're a good man. You're a good man. She can throw further than that, coach?
Let's see. I'm more worried about technique, execution.
All right, coach, say more about the technique. Because if you get the technique right, the distance will come, don't?
Yes.
Aye. Coach, me sound like I could do a thing, don't it? Look at that. 1442, and then it was moved to 1742, and it was moved to 1744. Because when them big things happen, them have to go for metal, tape, all kind of thing to ensure that they get it right. I am so impressed. Congratulations.
Thank
and
you.
I know I'm going to see you in the World Championships, senior one. I know I'm going to see you.
Definitely.
Just keep doing what you're doing. And keep listening to Coach. Coach sound like him know what I want. Eh?
Yes.
Anybody you want to say thank you to before you go?
Yes, thank you to my coach, Davian Shantilope, my mother, Novia Douglas, and my support system, my teammates, and everyone who always believed in me.
Beautiful. And us, because we believe in it. I don't know you never thank me for that, but good to see you. Congrats again. God bless you. Coach, well done. Mommy, 200 run, come quick. We have to go. Run, come quick. Just come behind. Marla-Kay Lampart, National Under-20 shot put record. There is Mommy right there. Mrs. Marla-Kay and the great coach right here. Fantastic. Well done again. All right, gonna go for a break. News in 5. I'll show some shot put. Huh? I will tell you what simple act like giving blood could help save a life. Don't miss that when we come back. We'll soon come.